Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Jewel. If you're new here, hey, and if you're not new here, hey, period. So today we are going to be doing what's in my school emergency bag slash kit, mostly like girl feminine products that you need like when you on the go. Emergency bag slash kit, what you need in it. Mine's is based off of what I need, and you can change it up a bit if you want to, but let's get into this. So this is the bag that I just bought. I got it like from Walmart. It says all the little things if you see it. First, I'm gonna start off with flushable wipes. These couldn't fit in the bag because it's bigger. This is so handy when it comes to when you're in public. Let's say you're on your period and like you need to like cleanse down there and stuff, but the school toilet paper is so thin and it's like so like ratchet and it's not gonna give, and you need to like clean yourself, anytime you're using the bathroom at school. These come in handy. 48 wipes in here, and I think this is the smallest I could get. There could be a smaller one, but yes, these come in handy. And make sure you get flushable so you don't clog the school's toilet system. Okay, on to actually what's in here. Okay, first out the bag, you'll need some hand sanitizer. Y'all, the monkeypox and the COVID is still going around. You need some hand sanitizer, and this one, I was trying to be bougie with it. I got the spray hand sanitizer. I don't really think it spreads good because it is a spray, but you can spray it on both hands. And I don't know if you could spray this on surfaces, but you could probably spray this on the surface before you sit down. So kills 99.99% of germs. You do not want to catch the monkeypox, okay? You do not want to catch the monkeypox this year. So first thing is definitely a hand sanitizer. Next on the list are some scrunchies or elastic bands. I remember last school year when I would have my hair out and stuff, and like my hair tie would break, or I want to put my hair in a ponytail but I don't have stretchy enough like ponytails. This will come in handy. It's a good size pack, like it says 15 in here, and you can just put it in your little pouch and keep it on you, period. Next thing I have up is some Vaseline. You could use this for multiple reasons. You could use this on your lips, or if you go to school and you're ashy, then you could use it on your elbows or wherever you're ashy. Most of the time it'd be my ankles. You accidentally wear some high waters and them ankles be ashy. That's embarrassing. So you could put this on your lips, you could put this on your ankles, and this is a smaller one, so it's small enough to like carry, but it's like a good enough size to use it for probably like a month-ish. So this is definitely it. So I got this little compact mirror, and obviously it's to check yourself. Like, what if you're at school, you want to check your edges, check your lashes. If girls that wear lash extensions, you want to check your lashes, brush them and actually see your lashes, check your lips, and check yourself. Some people are not going to tell you if anything is going on. They're going to look at it and they're going to be like, she probably notices it. But what if you didn't notice? So now you can look in the mirror. It's just this mirror from the dollar store. I just got it. It said Girl Boss on it. And it's just, cute. It got two mirrors. So you know what's up. Next thing is some deodorant. Preferably, I would recommend antiperspirant. I heard that antiperspirant, it like supposed to like block the glands from the sweat or something. And then like a good smelling antiperspirant, it could like block it and make you smell good. So I just got this random one. Not a really a small size, but it's a small enough size, especially if you have gym. I had fitness 2 tries last school year, and when I tell you I was suffering going in the locker room, and that's what this comes in handy too. This comes in handy too when you have fitness, okay? Because I was suffering going in the locker room, taking the paper towels, wetting them, putting them like myself, and it was just like so. It was stressing me out. I'm not gonna lie. So deodorant, that's something to put in there. Deodorant, okay? Okay, next up we have perfume oil / body mist. So I got this one specifically because when you rub it on, plus this smells real good, it's not going nowhere. It's an oil, so it's like, like Vaseline. It's not going anywhere. So I would prefer, and it's so small, but this can be used probably for like a good month and a half. Y'all, this is the stuff. I used to use Egyptian musk, and you can find these at the beauty supply. Like, I'm pretty sure you can find this at your nearest beauty supply store, because my beauty supply store has like a whole rack of them. The smell is not going anywhere. It's not. Okay, next thing we got is edge control. So this is just my regular edge control. Like I said, with the mirror, you need to fix your edges. You need to look at your edges. You do them edges and you look in the mirror. And I know this might seem extra to some people, but some people like their edges done all the time. So this is just a reminder to the people who like to get their edges done. So next thing is a pair of fresh undies. I got like a pack of these like undies, these Hanes undies from like Target the other day. If you ever, get on your period and you want to change, you got you a pair of fresh undies. Now you don't have to feel so bloody and stuff. And lastly, we got some panty liners / pads. I got these panty liners because they're like small. You can use panty liners / pads / tampons, and you can just pop a couple in there. You don't need like a whole pack. You could probably pack like 4 or 5 for emergencies and stuff. So that's all we got for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you get yourself a little emergency kit or emergency baggie, because we need an upkeep for school. Kids at school can be very ruthless and say a whole bunch of stuff, so it's just good to keep it on you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting more content for back to school, so let me know what y'all want in the comments, period. Bye.